With this morning's special assignment, Al.
Victoria, the problem is those ignition interlocking devices are hardwired into a car's onboard computer. You have to start the car to conduct simple diagnostics, and tampering with the car or the interlock could have consequences. One of the provisions of Leandra's law requires New York drivers convicted of DWI, in this case Keith Wilmot of Buffalo, to pass a breathalyzer every time they get behind the wheel of a car. An ignition interlocking device like this one is installed in the car, and the driver has to blow into it before the engine can start.
If you're under the alcohol limit, it'll allow the vehicle to start. If it's not, what it'll do is not allow the vehicle to start, and it'll keep that in its memory bank.
Casulo Automotive in Kenmore is one of the shops that installs what's called a breath alcohol ignition interlock device, BAIID. But some mechanics are concerned about servicing interlock-equipped vehicles because they have to blow into the same mouthpiece as the offender just to start the engine up.
I don't even know if you could cover them with a rag or a shop cloth.
Shop owner Craig Simmons says it's just not healthy, and even routine servicing can get tricky since the ignition interlock is wired into the car's onboard computer. Tampering could be double trouble since the interlock is often court-ordered, and Simmons' diagnostic equipment is tied into the DMV's central computer.
Then is there any type of liability issue in diagnosing this vehicle by dismantling this required device?
But Dave Cantor told us maybe it depends on what kind of ignition interlock you have. Casulo's installs the Intoxilock, which doesn't cause trouble with diagnostics. And blowing into the Intoxilock isn't a problem either. It comes with a removable mouthpiece, or the driver can just pull into the garage.
There'll be some different ends on there which either your mechanic can blow into to do their breath test, or a lot of garages will just have you pull it in yourself.
But these breathalyzer locks can be used for more than keeping convicted drunk drivers off the road. Dave Cantor told me parents use them to monitor their kids' driving, and employers install them in company vehicles for their protection.
All right, as a parent of a future driver in 3 years, how much would something like this cost?
Well, actually, Victoria, they're leased, and the leasing arrangements that I've seen from company literature, a little more than $2 a day.
Wow.
And for parents with young drivers, could that cut their insurance premiums as well?
Of course, the kids are always costly on our insurance premiums. Generally speaking, no. But if you look hard enough, you just might be able to find an insurance company that might give you a break on the premiums.
All right, good advice. Thank you so much, Al.
Sure.
All right, staying on